To let you know that we received that letter, but at the same time, I think this court is properly moved, not by way of a letter, but by way of an application. And therefore, the advocate for the 9th respondent will treat that as just a letter.
My Lords, the only preliminary issue that I can think of is allocation of time.
Yes, Council, we are doing right that. This is how we will proceed with the hearing of the applications. Yes, Council.
My Lords, Your Ladyship, on Friday, when the court gave directions on how to proceed today, as the presiding judge observed, perhaps all of us had been working very hard the previous day. So the court left rather quickly when I was on my feet. And I was standing up to draw this honorable court's attention to the fact that no directions had been issued in respect of an application which is on record, which is a contempt application in the Kirugoya matter, where the judge, your brother, in the Kirugoya matter, directed that because of the urgency of the matter and that he had referred the file to the Chief Justice, that application for contempt, which was on record, would be argued before the bench to be constituted by the Chief Justice. So that application continues to be on record, and I would plead that you give directions on its hearing and disposal. Because as we all know, a contempt law ordinarily is not permitted audience before purging the contempt. Can we have your directions for that contempt application to be heard and determined? I thank you.
What is the date of the application?
Where are these people with the contempt?
My Lady and my Lords, my name is Muge for the third petitioner. Now, my Lady, that contempt application is dated 9th October 2024.
Thank you.
Okay. Now, this is how we will proceed in the matter. The matter is coming up today for hearing of the application, that is application for conservatory orders and the one to set aside. We gave directions last week. We will proceed with those applications. At the end of the hearing of those applications today, we will give directions on the hearing of the application for contempt. So for purposes of going forward, those petitioners who file applications for conservatory orders, will regard them as the applicants, and each of them will have 15 minutes. If there will be need for more time, we will consider as and when. And then any party in support of the application for interim reliefs will have 5 minutes each. Respondents, who are the applicants in the applications to set aside, will each have 10 minutes. And those in support will have 5 minutes. And then the applicants will have 10 minutes each in rejoinder. Interested parties We will give them 5 minutes each, and if Senior Counsel Mr.